Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening taskbar settings so you can change behavior and appearance. Right-click any empty area of the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Once done, you'll be in the Settings app where options are grouped logically, which makes it faster to tweak alignment, pinning, and overflow. You should verify you're signed into your account. Some corporate policies can lock settings. This step gives you direct access to the toggles you'll change next, so don't skip it. Now focus on the core options. Set taskbar location, combine buttons, and enable auto-hide to control space. Adjusting these changes layout and workflow. You'll also click Select which icons appear to reduce clutter in the notification area, because fewer icons mean less distraction and faster access. Pin apps by dragging a shortcut to the taskbar or right-clicking an open app and choosing Pin to Taskbar. Make changes, observe results, and iterate until the arrangement feels efficient. Finish by reviewing settings and testing the taskbar under normal use. Sign out or restart if you need a clean state. If a change doesn't stick, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer to force the UI to refresh. This often resolves display glitches. Make sure group policy or IT restrictions aren't preventing changes. If they are, contact your admin. Finally, run Windows Update when the taskbar behaves oddly, because system updates often fix related bugs and improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.